Red hat.
Feelings. Intuition. Hunches.
Intuition.
I'm nervous.
I'm
I want to
excited.
tell everyone to
I am
see
Can
worried.
I tell Holly?
I'm nervous. I feel like
I'm
it's just the
nervous.
right level of pessimistic.
I'm feeling pretty pessimistic about this.
I'm not sure how it's going to go down.
What if they don't find it
What if
funny?
everyone hates it?
I think it'll be great. I can't wait to see everyone's
It's a
reactions.
decent project for the amount of time and materials we have.
I think it's
I'm
funny.
nervous.
It's okay.
Emotion.
Emotion.
I'm exhausted.
Intuition.
I'm nervous.
I don't
Hunches.
really care.
Hunches. Intuition.
I hope the tutors come to see it.
I think people will have mixed feelings, but that's probably a good thing. I'm exhausted. It'll just be nice to be part of it.
I am exhausted.
I think
Shall
people
we have a
have
drink?
mixed feelings, but that's probably a good thing. I kinda hope it annoys someone just for the
At
lols.
least it isn't
Nice to be
boring.
part
I
of.
kinda hope it annoys someone just for the lols. Shall we have a drink?
Red hat.